Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, this is Kimmi. I hope you have started your healthy weight loss challenge with me. We are on day 2. I do have an update for you. So what I did yesterday was I increased my water. I also am increasing my blueberry intake to help with my fiber. I do have a couple tips for you for the challenge. Day 1's tip is to make sure that if you go to a restaurant and perhaps, for example, you don't want butter on your bread, or you don't want, like for example, I don't know if you knew this or not, McDonald's puts a butter pat on their sausage McMuffin sandwich. All the McMuffin sandwiches, even the egg McMuffin, which is the healthier choice at McDonald's, right? They actually put a butter pat. If you choose not to have the butter pat, you can tell them no butter. When I went recently to a fish restaurant with my sister, I had the broccoli and corn mix. And on the broccoli, they put a whole lot of butter. So don't be afraid to ask or tell restaurants what you want when they're cooking your food. Less oils, no salt, less salt. I talked about going to Hibachi a few weeks ago, and they loaded it with so much salt. So that's one tip. Don't be afraid to ask restaurants or let them know, hey, I prefer you cook it this way, because we are paying our money. We are trying to watch our health, okay? That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, so we can get caught up for today, is also think about sharing meals when you go out. If you go out with someone, share a meal with your spouse or your significant other or your child even. You can share. Instead of everybody order their own meal. That costs a lot of money sometimes. So we can save on calories and money by splitting our meals together, okay? So for example, I and my husband sometimes, or me and my friends even, will order, like, maybe you can pick like 3 different items. So I pick what I want, they pick what they want, and we pick a bonus one, and we just split the meal. That makes sometimes cost just a few dollars more, but it's an excellent way, again, for everyone to get what they want, feel satisfied, and cut the points. If you're doing Weight Watchers or calories, whatever you're doing, we're always trying to count and cut our points, right, in calories. So I'm doing Weight Watchers. I neglected to say that in the beginning, but it doesn't matter what plan you're doing. This challenge is for everyone, because everyone's challenge is going to look different, just like everyone's weight loss journey is different, right? So I'm so happy you decided to take the challenge with me. So the tip I gave you, the first one is to make sure you tell restaurants what you want. The second tip is, like I said, to split meals with people, family members. Or if you don't have anyone to split your meal with, you can always have them pack up half of it for the next day. Be like, put half of it here, I'm going to eat it, and half of it I'm going to take it home. So immediately you cut your calories in half. Because if you're like me, and if it keeps sitting there, you keep looking at it, then you're going to eat it. You know, if it's still sitting in front of me, it's still sitting in front of me. I may be prone to eat it. So today is Saturday. I normally do not date my videos, but today is Saturday, September 2nd. And I'm dating this video because this is day 2 of the challenge. So starting tomorrow, you will receive 1 daily tip. Every Sunday, we will meet at 6 o'clock Eastern on Zoom for a results meeting or follow-up, just to kind of encourage each other. So sign up for that at healthylifewithkimmi.com. Okay? All information can be found at healthylifewithkimmi.com. And I want to say my tongue looks purple, so I'm going to just look really quick. Okay. The little purpleness that you see, I just finished eating some blueberries. Alright guys, so, because at first I said, did my tongue look purple? So anyway, I will be in touch. Again, welcome to the challenge. Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. And I wish you much success. And don't forget, fit is the new it. Bye.